Expandable, transforming, and floating, check out these pieces of furniture that are going to change your home forever. Number 10. This table extends and shapes itself into just the right size for every situation. The unique shape of the glass-top dining table is elegant and simple as it transforms from a round to an elliptical shape as the two side panels swivel out by turning the tabletop in a clockwise motion. To retract the panels and make it a 4-person table, you just twist the tabletop in a counterclockwise motion to retract the panels back under and out of the way. This table is made of a durable tempered glass which makes it more resistant to typical wear and tear than most wood tables. Number 9. This is such a great idea. We don't know why this wasn't thought of years ago. Fusing a pool table with a modern dining room table brings a new dimension to the dining room or game room. It is made with high quality material and CNC'd to perfection to create the perfect game of pool or a perfect meal for the whole family. To hide the pool table when not in use, it uses a leaf-style dining top that slides and locks into position so they won't be moving around, and help keep this table lasting for years. They used stainless steel legs instead of the traditional wood design in most pool tables to help from warping or other scenarios that would offset a regular billiard table. Now, most people watching this might argue, well, it won't be a regulation height billiard table. They thought of that as well. It can sit at 29 inches for dining and then extend its legs to 32 inches to meet that regulation. Number 8. This obviously isn't anything new. A table that can become larger to fit more people. But like number 10, it's the design and the way that it does it that caught our eye when we were researching these products. This coffee table from Ozio measures 30 by 50 by 9 inches and can expand its length to almost double that. It's large enough to comfortably seat 10 people. When not hosting a group of people, it sits low to the floor to make an amazing looking coffee table that would work well in any sized home. It sits on a metal frame with a walnut or oak top with 8 different finishes available, and it uses a powered lift mechanism that allows it to go from a low slung coffee table to a normal sized dinner table. To increase the length, you pull on each end to expose the inner slats that fold out to complete the table. Number 7. The bench can be made various lengths to suit specific requirements ranging from 3 feet to 9 feet, allowing you to use this amazing piece of furniture in any home or patio. The revolutionary concept allows the arms to pivot from a sitting position to table orientation to create seats with armrests or flat table area to work or eat from both, adapt to changing needs without having to spend more money on multiple pieces of furniture. It comes in a variety of finishes on the laminated wood arms, and if natural wood just isn't what you were looking for, they offer colors for the arms instead that would help protect the wood underneath when used outside. You can get the metal framework in either brushed stainless steel or epoxy powder, coated in the color of your choice as well to help protect from any rust. Number 6. This bed is exactly as it sounds. It allows the user to swing the self-standing queen-sized bed out from the wall and lower it down as if it was never even there. It can have up to a 9-foot couch in front of it that can offer additional storage underneath. This is a space-saving dream if you don't have the luxury of room on your side, or this would even work well in a guest bedroom to keep the room looking neat when no one is using it. This product is all made to order by the customer to get the exact specifications required to match their decor, and will take anywhere from 16 to 18 weeks to be completed. We really have been enjoying these new designs of certain products. It brings a breath of fresh air to space-saving ideas. Number 5. Don't have enough space in your home or apartment? No problem. Take a look at this 2-in-1 affair that stores a fold-out ping pong table right in your doorway. On one side, it looks like a regular door with black highlights near the edges and offers the same amount of privacy. On the opposite side, it looks like a ping pong table that's rested vertically on your wall. Honestly, it's both. The black edges mark the outlines of a hole in the door that was cleverly outfitted with a smaller than regulation ping pong table. Flip the central panel and it comes out from the door frame to look perfectly centered. The door is such a genius way to fit a game table in a room that normally wouldn't, and you pair this with the fusion table and you are good to go. Number 4. The Ori, also known as the One Room, is a motorized bed, closet, bookcase, and TV stand all in one. How it works. With the simple touch of a button, a bed will appear from the bottom and move its way to the left side of the stand, which can sleep 2 people comfortably. On top of the bed area allows closet access and storage. When the bed is not in use, you use that same button to retract the bed back under the stand, and then it moves itself towards the back wall where you were just sleeping to create the maximum possible living room space. You also have cabinets underneath the TV stand to hold any movies or gaming devices. This would make city living a ton easier and offer a lot more space when there isn't a lot to go around. Number 3. These amazing pieces of furniture were created to allow maximum space when not in use. He started with a solid piece of wood and hung it from a wall to make flat, small cuts until his design started to take form. After trial and error, he had figured out enough to put it together. He takes a solid piece of wood and cuts them in certain points to create a fold and uses brass hinges to hold the pieces of wood together. A solid brass rod is used as a mount and has the main legs of the table and chair all meet at 2 separate points, and the wood legs interchange to make them the most stable and durable pieces of furniture as possible. It's almost mesmerizing how this furniture unfolds. We could watch it for hours. Number 2. These copper cubes are magnetized to hold their form in any shape imaginable. Paul Kelly wanted to create a product for everyone because the end design is up to the user and whatever they want to create. Something that, although produced in high quantities, can be very individual because of how the copper patinas. They can be self-attached in a variety of multifunctional configurations, essentially allowing the customer to build custom-sized tables, room dividers, stools, chairs, or benches. The flexible magnetic system makes the cubes easy to connect, yet strong enough for almost any type of use. The cubes are also very compact and lightweight, allowing for easy assembly and storage. Number 1. Also known as one of the coolest freaking tables we have ever seen. This design uses a matrix of magnetized wooden cubes that levitate from one another. They repel outwards and are held in place by very thin and small steel cables. Each one is tuned perfectly to seem very rigid and stable, yet a touch reveals the secret to its floating character. The table, almost like putty, deforms and stabilizes when an external force is applied. You might be asking us in the comments right now, but wood isn't magnetic. They used rare earth magnets to repel the wood from one another, placed in just the right spots. When ordering this table, they offer a very large range of woods and colored lacquers, and it is all handmade from a studio in Brooklyn, New York.
Hey guys, this is Amber. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. You can help out by hitting the like button and also sharing with your friends. Have you hit that subscribe button yet? If not, make sure you do so. And while you're there, go ahead and hit the bell notification so you can be the first to see all of the latest videos. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.